Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XRP around, like transferring it from Coinbase Wallet to Crypto.com. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Crypto.com offers great earning opportunities and perks, so getting your XRP there can boost your crypto game. First off, before we start, ensure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Crypto.com account set up. You'll also need some XRP in your Coinbase wallet to transfer. Got that? Great, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app on your phone or log in via the web. Head to your dashboard and locate your XRP balance. Step 2. Tap on the XRP asset and select the Send or Transfer option. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Now, switch to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet, find your XRP address, and copy it. Double-check this. It's your key to avoiding lost funds. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, XRP uses the XRP ledger network, so make sure that's selected to prevent any errors. Step 5. Review the details carefully, including any transaction fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 6. Hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com account to verify the XRP has arrived. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, reach out to customer support from either platform. There you have it. That's how to transfer XRP in 2025. This process keeps your assets secure and helps you manage your portfolio like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.